Hey teachers, welcome back to Easy Lesson Hub. Today I'm giving you 5-0 prep vocabulary games for summer school. Games that work for any topic, any level, and any class size. No printing, no cutting, no laminating. Just show up and play. Game 1, Scattergories. Write 5 categories on the board. Animals, food, countries, things at the beach, summer activities. Pick a letter. Every student has 2 minutes to write one word starting with that letter for each category. Simple rule, 0 setup. Watch what happens. Some students go fast and wild. The first word that comes to mind. Others work systematically, category by category. Both strategies are valid. What matters is that every student is actively retrieving vocabulary under time pressure, which is exactly when the brain locks words into memory. When time's up, students read their answers out loud. Here's the twist. If 2 students wrote the same word, neither of them scores. Only unique answers count. That one rule changes everything. Students aren't just trying to remember a word. They're trying to think of a word nobody else thought of. Game 2. Stop the bus. Draw a grid on the board, 4 columns, 5 rows. Label each column with a category. Pick a letter. Every student fills in every box with a word starting with that letter. First student to fill all boxes stands up and shouts, "Stop the bus." The student who stopped the bus reads their answers out loud. Same rule as Scattergories. If another student has the same word, it doesn't count. Pro tip, replace all 4 categories with summer themes. One game covers your entire summer vocabulary set, and it runs completely on its own once you explain the rules. Game 3, Alphabet Race. Write the full alphabet on the board. A to Z, 1 letter per row. Pick a topic. Teams race to fill every single letter with a word from that topic. For summer school, start with summer food. A for avocado, B for burger, C for coconut. When the board is completely filled, every letter, every row, stop and read it back as a class. 26 words. 1 topic. Done in under 15 minutes. No worksheet required. Game 4, Taboo. 1 student picks a card with a target word and 3 words they cannot say. Their job is to describe the target word to the class, without saying any of the taboo words. First student to guess it correctly wins the point. Make your own summer taboo cards in 5 minutes. Write 10 cards before class. The game runs itself for the rest of the lesson. Game 5, Odd One Out. Write 4 words on the board. 3 of them belong together. 1 doesn't. Students have to identify which one is the odd one out and explain why in a full sentence. The explanation is the whole point. Here are 3 summer sets you can use today. Write 4 sets on the board before class. The game runs for 15 minutes. If you want the full summer vocabulary pack, all 5 games with ready-made word sets for summer topics, link is in the description. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for a new ESL game every week, and I'll see you in the next one.